Alright, I'm going to finish off today's workout with a little bit of fun, and I'll increase the intensity a little bit. So today I've been using the half-pound Crossrope, and now I'm going to bring in a very basic, lightweight PVC jump rope into the mix. So what I'll do here is, I'll finish off with, let's say 100 double unders, and I'll do 10 repetitions with each in an alternate fashion. Let me check the lengths here. Okay, so the Crossrope, as you can see there, is slightly longer when you take into consideration the length of the handles as well as the ball bearing system. So the Crossrope is a little bit longer, so I'm going to adjust my technique slightly when I'm doing these sets of double unders. And I'll tell you more about that just as soon as I finish. So a nice way to finish up by using two different ropes, different lengths, different weights. So I'm going for 100 double unders here, and I'll do 10 with each rope in an alternate fashion. Okay, set one done. You'll have to give me a warning, shove through the screen if I'm getting close to that light with either rope. So this rope feels so incredibly light compared to the half-pound rope. So as I said at the beginning, I'm going to mention something that I'm doing differently between using these two ropes. Just after I finish these 10 sets. So that's 2 done. Okay, third set. So I get a very momentary rest when I switch between these two ropes. But I'll mention something else regarding technique. Okay, set 4 done. Fantastic way to finish up. Increasing the intensity a little bit. Set number 6, I believe. Nice. So we got 4 more sets. So we got the half-pound Crossrope and a basic PVC jump rope. Awesome. Final sets, 1 with each rope. All right, final set here. Fun way to finish up there, using ropes of 2 different lengths, 2 different weights, and 2 different styles. Crossrope with the ball bearing mechanism, and a basic PVC jump rope. And as I mentioned, I had to use slightly different technique with the 2 ropes when I was performing those double unders, because the PVC jump rope is a decent bit shorter than the 8'6" Crossrope. What I had to do there was keep my forearms a little bit more relaxed. With the longer rope, you can afford to keep your forearms a little bit higher off the ground, or even slightly away from your body. But when you're using a shorter rope, it becomes more important to either keep your upper arms close to the sides of your body, and or keep your forearms a little bit more relaxed with the hands closer to the ground. So now I was doing the double unders with the basic PVC rope because it's a shorter rope. My forearms were a little bit more relaxed. I had my hands a little bit closer to the ground when I was performing the double unders. With the half-pound Crossrope, because it's slightly longer, I didn't have to keep my arms as low. I could afford to keep my forearms a little bit higher off the ground. So when you're using different jump ropes, different weights, different lengths, different styles, that can sometimes affect the way you perform a jump rope move. All right, well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.